Hello, everyone, and welcome to the general interest meeting for the IEEE UAlbany student branch. My name is Dan, and I am the current president of this organization. In this meeting, we are going to very briefly go over what the IEEE is and what they do. We will also talk about what we offer as a student branch and what you can get by joining us. So, what is the IEEE? The IEEE stands for the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. Founded in 1884, they are the world's largest technical professional organization with more than 420,000 members worldwide in over 160 countries. Their members are engineers, scientists, and allied professionals whose technical interests are rooted in electrical and computer sciences, engineering, and related disciplines. Okay, so what exactly does the IEEE do? Well, their mission statement is to foster technological innovation and excellence for the benefit of humanity. One way they do this is by publishing nearly a third of the world's technical literature in electrical engineering, computer science, and electronics. If you've taken ICSI 300Z, which is the societal and ethical implications of computing, you may have come across or even worked with some of these IEEE published literatures. The IEEE also sponsors more than 1,800 annual conferences and events worldwide. They are also a leading developer of international standards that underpin many of today's telecommunications, information technology, and power generation products and services. If you've taken ICSI 404, you may have heard of IEEE 754, which is the standard for floating point arithmetic. This is a standard that is well accepted and used almost everywhere today. So, what is the student branch here at UAlbany? We are a student association recognized organization that represents the national IEEE organization on campus. Our goal is to be a stepping stone between your education and your professional career. We facilitate and affirm the values and goals of the IEEE and provide our members with technical events and support that they need to advance to the next stages of their career. We also provide members with opportunities to grow their technical skills in a supportive and professional environment. So, what do we offer as the student branch? One of the toughest parts of getting a job in the engineering industry is the technical interview. This is usually where most people don't move on to the next stages of the interview process. Interviewers ask applicants different technical problems to determine whether or not the applicant is fit for the job. And if you're like me, you've probably failed a couple of these in the past and are struggling to get better. Every Monday, we offer professional development night to try and help you get better and land that internship or full-time job. We offer resume review so that your resume is perfect and stands out amongst other applicants. We also do technical interview practice with questions from LeetCode so that you can get better at understanding and solving these problems. Our goal is to help you prepare for the job hunt and gain experience with problem solving, data structures, and algorithms. Okay, so you didn't get that internship. What now? On top of relevant work experience, side projects can play a pivotal role in your future. Side projects allow you to demonstrate your skill and interest in the field while simultaneously showing that you are motivated and open to learning. I've had experience in interviews in the past where the interviewers only talked about my side projects and nothing else. Every Friday, we host Side Project Development Night. This is a time for you to come show off what you're working on. You can also come to get help on something you're working on or find motivation to start a new project. Now, if that wasn't already amazing, we also have weekly workshops on various topics. These are designed for you to develop your technological skills. Some workshops we've hosted in the past are Intro to Java 8 features, where UAlbany alumni taught us about some new features that came with Java version 8. Another one is the front-end development series, where our secretary, Emily, taught us how to make a basic interactive website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Over the winter, one of our ex-chairs, James, hosted a juicy overture of the C programming language where he taught us all the basics of programming in C. Upcoming this semester, we have an introduction to basic user interfaces using Java Swing. We also have Ben Eater 8-bit CPU kits as well as his 6502 exploration and VGA kits. Mixed in throughout the semester are company events and research talks. We invite professors to come talk about their research or members of industries to talk about their careers. We've also had representatives of companies give overviews of what they're working on. In the past, we've hosted talks from Professor Michael Phipps, who gave us a very brief introduction on how CPUs were made. We've also held events with local companies like Janelle Group, who came in to talk about their company and the opportunities they offered. We've also had talks with Kitware, who talked about their open source software technology program. But wait, there's more. On top of this, we have leadership opportunities for you. Like side projects, a leadership position is a major boost on your resume. Here at the student branch, we have 3 different leadership positions. At the top, we have the executive or E-board. These are elected positions consisting of the chair, vice chair, treasurer, and secretary. Right below that, we have the junior executive board or J-board. These are positions that shadow their respective E-board positions so that they can better learn how the organization runs on the inside. This also helps you prepare to run for an E-board position at the end of the academic year if you so choose to. Finally, we have the directorate board or D-board. The D-board consists of the webmaster, communications director, outreach director, marketing director, programming director, social media director, university relations director, and the diversity and inclusion director. These are positions that perform integral tasks for running the organization. And that's a wrap. We hope to see you at some of our workshops and events in the future. If you want to keep up to date with what we are doing, please join our Discord server at discord.gg/IEEE. You can also follow us on Instagram under IEEE.UAlbany and on Twitter under IEEE UAlbany.